everyone saw it, but some of you did get a nice soaking, and we need a few more. In fact, some of you a little bit of too much rain in the Hammond area yesterday, very early in the day. Our temperature now at 86 in New Orleans. We don't have a lot of rain right now. Most of us are getting close to that 90-degree mark. And as we look at what's happening with live radar, only a couple of showers are forming up, and they're pretty small at this point around Lake Salvador a little bit, and also a little farther out to the southwest and west. We have some showers over coastal waters south of the central Louisiana coastline. Moving into the precision cast, this is our high resolution model. We may have a few more showers today, but we're just not looking at a really high rain chance. We knew going into this week it was going to be hit or miss kind of rain. Definitely was the case yesterday. 2.5 inches at the airport, even more than that registered in parts around Hammond, and then some spots no rain at all. So moving through today, same story. Anything finishes up this evening though. This is overnight, looking pretty quiet for early tomorrow as well, and then we'll move through the day tomorrow. I have about a 30-40% chance overall both days, but you can see just not all that much rain as we're looking at a pattern that should support some rain, but again, the model's just kind of lower on that chance for the showers and storms. Again though, 30-40% chance, a few storms at least with highs near 90 today. Here are those temperatures getting into the 90-degree range and then dropping off through the 80s later this evening and tonight. Partly cloudy conditions expected overnight. North and south of Lake Pontchartrain, low temperatures in the 70s. Tomorrow and Thursday, a little better chance perhaps for a few of those spotty showers and storms, and then by the weekend it does go down as far as the rain chance goes. Our upper trough will move away from us, and we may actually get some drier air in. Looking at the rainfall this year, this is at the airport at Kenner. We've had about 26 inches. The average at this point in the year is 50. And remember, a year total for New Orleans is about 64 inches of rain. We are about half of what we would have if you looked at just an average year at this point. So of course we continue with those extreme to exceptional drought conditions. Looking at how much rain we may pick up this next week, notice the rain chance really closer to the coast is where we may see the blues indicating about an inch. The greens, unfortunately not that much, maybe a half inch or so. Easily could be a little bit more than this or less than this, depending on whether you get one of those hit or miss storms. But the higher chance is going to be in the coastal waters and especially around Florida. Looking up farther north, like we've been saying, it's not so much rain right here in New Orleans that's going to help the Mississippi River rise a bit. We really need it way farther to the north, the Ohio River Valley, around the Tennessee and Illinois rivers and so forth. We need rain farther north, but doesn't look like a whole lot, at least this week. And we enter October soon, one of our drier kind of months. Heading into this weekend, though, we have Fried Chicken Festival. Getting into that forecast, it should be pretty pleasant. Lots of WWL people will be there if you want to come out and hang out at the Fried Chicken Festival. It's at the lakefront. We're looking for 80s, not much of a rain chance. In the tropics, Tropical Storm Philippe is here. It is not very healthy, though. It's heading into a lot of dry air. There's a lot of shear as well, so its center is exposed. It's just a tropical storm and will likely become a remnant low in the next few days, by Friday maybe even. And there's that one other wave, a high chance of development. The next name is Rena, but this one looks like it will be heading out to the north before it gets toward the Caribbean islands. So we'll keep you updated. We continue, thankfully, with no tropical threats here. It's been nice not to have the stress of having a storm threaten us so far this season, but we do need a bit of rain. Rain chances staying about 30% through the end of the week and then dropping off for the weekend.